Are you struggling to create a mobile app that grows with your business? Look no further! Our custom mobile app builder requires no technical skills and is designed for everyone. Imagine having a built-in CMS at your fingertips. Manage content seamlessly. From text to videos, update everything from one place. Seamless web integration ensures a smooth experience across devices. Enable social logins for users with just a click. Design visually stunning and engaging apps to enhance user experience. Our platform is suitable for any business, big or small, and complies with App Store standards for faster approval. Join over 700,000 satisfied customers who have saved time and money. Build your app today for real-time updates and effortless management. Don't wait. Sign up now and transform your vision into a powerful mobile app.